Alright, so I'm about to cook some lunch. I'm very excited to cook for my friends and my family while I'm home. I feel like living in Korea, I've gotten to discover so many amazing recipes and dishes that I just want to make for everyone. So I'm gonna make ramen for Samantha and I. I wanted to let you guys know I ordered all of my stuff that I'm cooking online. I thought about bringing stuff from Korea, but I just didn't want to have a ton of extra baggage. So I ordered all of this stuff from Yami. It's basically a market online that sells a bunch of Asian snacks, food, they have beauty, they even have like home appliances. I had a bunch of stuff shipped here, and that way I just didn't have to bring it all from Korea, which makes my life so easy. But let me show you everything I got. What I like about Yami is their website makes it very easy to shop based on what you're looking for, and I would say it's very accurate as far as displaying trending foods, if that makes sense. So all of the stuff in their Korean section is very legit and popular stuff that I would probably see in a regular Korean mart. So yeah, I got a lot of Korean things. I also got a few Japanese items, so let me show you. I'm so excited to have my friend try these. I already have eaten so many of these. These are the best. And if you live in Korea, you've 100% had this milk. Of course, I had to get some buldak. If you've been to Korea, you know this is like the most popular ramen. And of course, some choco pies. This is a very Korean style dessert, and I cannot wait to share these with my friends. I really like the fact that Yami sells all of the popular brands. I mean, and these are the exact products that I would get in the mart right by my house. Right, and then these are what I got from making our lunch today. So let's get started. Wow, I did a trick and it helped them peel so easily. Look at those beauties. Look at that. Oh my god, they look so good.
It's so much better than
And then it's so good if you drink it. You got try it. Alright, that lunch was so amazing. My friend said that she's surprised we can make ramen that good just from the kitchen using our own ingredients, which I think is so true. If you guys have not played with different ramen recipes, I would definitely recommend it. So glad I could get all of this stuff from Yami. Definitely check them out. I want to let you know they have a website and an app. If you are shopping on there, I think using the app is really comfortable. I love laying in bed and just scrolling. So check them out. I'm going to have the link down in the description below. And thank you again to Yami for sponsoring this video. Oh my goodness, I'm back in my car. It feels so good. I can't believe I have not been in this car for over 2 years. I mean, last time I was here was 2019. So it feels weird to drive this thing. I've definitely driven because I drove in Hawaii. I really do love my car, and I'm glad that my parents have taken such great care of it for me after I left. I thought about selling it, but I couldn't get that much money for it if I sold it. So it makes more sense just to keep it, and it's so nice that I have something to drive around in. But I am going to run in and get a coffee, and then I'm going to do some work at the clubhouse at my parents' building. They live in a condo building, so it has a bunch of amenities, which is awesome. I'm glad that I have like a little workplace in there. Also, side note, I think they dropped the indoor mask mandate where my parents live, so it just feels so weird, you know? It's like a good feeling, but yeah, it's like very interesting coming back here. Like, there's so many fun drinks I want to try, but I'm trying to avoid dairy for my skin. My skin just doesn't do well with dairy, but I want to get something yummy, so I'll show you guys what I end up getting. Alright, so I went with a vanilla cream cold brew, and oh my goodness, that was like my first social interaction I've had here besides with my friend. And baristas are just so sweet. I feel like most of the baristas I meet here are really nice, and I was just having a full-on conversation with this guy. And I'm a very like introverted person when it comes to meeting new people, so it always takes someone else to make the conversation, but he was just so sweet. So this is a vanilla cream cold brew with almond milk. Oh my goodness, so strong, but so good. I'm sorry. Frida!
Hold on, saving one little
She's
dog.
so pretty.
Come on. Frida, look. Come here. You're the good girl. There's more where oh, no.
Hi, Frida! Good morning, everyone. So it is the next day now. I just woke up. I'm at my parents' house. My plan for today, I'm gonna go back over to my friend Samantha's house. I've been spending like the evenings with my parents, and then the daytime I go hang out with my friend. She is just on maternity leave right now, and it's been really nice for us to just catch up, especially in this new chapter of her life. I'm not used to like driving in traffic and stuff like that, so that's been something to adjust to, but I wanted to show you, well, two things. First of all, as soon as I got to my parents, the first thing I asked for was a water bottle, because I definitely know like I'm gonna be eating a lot of sugary, fatty foods while I'm here, so I might as well keep myself hydrated from the minute I wake up. And I have been drinking so much water. It's actually feeling really good. I don't feel puffy or anything, and I've basically just been eating whatever I want. I'm actually not gonna go too close to her because she's still warming up to me. She definitely runs this house. She thinks that I am the intruder, so I'm just gonna let her keep thinking that. And she has the prettiest eyes. So that is Frida. Everyone say hi, Frida. But yeah, this is my parents' house. They live in like a condo building, so it's like they have a bedroom kind of upstairs, and then they have a bedroom downstairs. But I really like their kitchen. The kitchen in their house is like, oof. It's been a minute since I've been in a kitchen this big, and it's so nice, like going through their snacks and everything. Oh my goodness, like what am I gonna eat? So, okay, let's go get ready, and then I'll see you guys after. Just stopped to get gas, and then I was also like, let me get some snacks. M&M cookies, girl, I miss a good M&M cookie. And then veggie sticks, which you can get these in Korea, but only at like Costco, I think, or like the big E-marts. These are less sweet. You guys, American people are so chitty chattery. Like sometimes it's past what's okay, you know what I mean? Like I was walking into this place and I just felt so uncomfortable from like these men hooting and hollering at me. And like, that's just not okay. But it's so much more intense here compared to Korea. Oh my god. Oh my god. What?
Do I need to bring some back to Korea?
Unfortunately, I have nowhere to put it.
That's cute.
Guys, I can't even explain how fun it is to be in Target, and it's also funny because I forgot that vlogging here is not quite as normal as Korea. And every time I talk to the camera, people just look, who's she talking to? And then they look and then they see the camera. It's kind of funny though. This is cute. This is like something you would see at Rip Curl, honestly. I might try this on. They also have a ton of cute cover-ups here. So in the summer, I'll probably try this on. In the summer, I just like to wear stuff like this fabric, kind of like what I'm wearing today. Wow, their outdoor patio section is really very cute. I like how they have a couple different vibes and all the pieces for the set. Like, this is kind of a darker, this is more of a light tone vibe. You guys, I'm shook. They actually have so much vibey stuff in here, like this robe. Can you imagine waking up and putting on this like linen soft robe? I would totally get this. I feel like if I get it, I feel like I really will wear it in the summer. See, that's what I'm trying to do. I think like if I get it, when are all the times I will wear it? And realistically, will I want to wear it? I feel like realistically, I would love to wear this. I'm gonna try it on, but I'm not gonna like force myself into loving it. It looks so good.